centers of wreath forms. I have pre-cut, pre-prepped this one. And just to make things a little bit faster, one of the things I have done, you might or might not be able to tell, I have inked the edges so that they show up a little bit better against the background. So, and that is very easy. I left one of them blank. I just, and I just got a great big old mark across my card. I might not be able to do this one. I inked it, but I also inked it. So, let us see. Case in point, when you are tracing, it's a good idea to trace from the back, because I also got an ink mark. So, let me see if I can get this ink off, or if we are out of luck. We are out of luck. And it is in a place that I am not going to be able to cover up. So much for good intentions. Don't do that.